Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend and got a chance to enjoy friends, family, and the things that are important to them in life. And we're recharged and ready to get back here to school this week. Just reviewing last week's Monday mission was to make a plan to make a positive change in your life. It's important to identify some things um, that you want to change first of all, and then develop ideas and have conversations on how you can make those things happen and make those improvements for yourself. It's always important to strive to look forward and make the best of every situation. So hopefully everybody had an opportunity to make a plan to make a positive change, and that change is well underway. It's going to make a positive impact on you and others. Um, I guess this week it's kind of appropriate to have this with parent-teacher conferences coming up on Thursday. I guess the Monday mission is, what do you want your parents to hear about you at parent-teachers conferences? Parent-teachers conferences are coming up, so I guess the big question that you want to have answered is, what do you want your parents to be discussing with your teachers on Thursday? I guess a couple of things to be thinking about is, have you been doing all the stuff that you can to be successful, and has your behavior been meeting the expectations of a Trojan? How can you make the report from your teacher to your parents be positive? Something that you can do is be proactive and talk to your teacher about things that you wish to improve in your learning. Always having that discussion makes you a little bit more engaged in the learning process, rather than having somebody dictate to you. You having your share of the burden and what it takes to be a learner, and having that discussion with your teachers is important. And then also too, something that you can do all the time, but it's something that catches the eye of your teachers and the adults around you, is exhibit good manners and have positive relationship with student and staff. A well-behaved student is somebody that everybody wants to be around. Everybody wants to do their best to help out. So be that person. Be that person that exhibits good manners and has good relationships with the people around them. We've transitioned this month into achievement. So February's Trojan Way focus will be achievement. On Trojan Way Tuesday, there will be an introduction to achievement. Students and staff will discuss the importance of goals in achievement, and then watch a brief achievement video. So achievement is something that we're always striving to have. As Trojans, we expect the very best. We get there by giving our best effort. We also get there by setting goals that are lofty yet achievable, that are going to push you to get to where you want to be. So with that, I hope everybody has a great week. Go Trojans, and we'll see you next week.